Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. A baseline conflict really results from the perception that one's needs, goals, values are impeded or threatened. So if one feels like their fundamental needs or their goals or their values are being impeded or threatened, they are by definition in a baseline conflict. And when slowing down your speech, you want to slow it down enough so you can really enunciate your words. You can hear yourself articulating your words very clearly. The more you start to feel someone else's agitation, and if you start to feel defensive, probably you're going to have to balance that out internally by taking your own speech a little bit slower and a little bit down in tone and volume. Someone's bringing you an issue, and what you first want to do is just repeat back the issue that they brought to you. So you're just helping them feel heard here, and you're making sure that you actually heard what they said correctly or accurately. Here's an example of what it might sound like. Okay, so you can't verify your account because you can't remember where you opened it. I understand, and I apologize, this has been so frustrating. Don't worry, I'm here to figure this out with you. And then if I have to and explain the position, I might say, we have these measures in place to make sure no one else can get into your account. Scammers are so sophisticated these days. You understand, right?
No, can you see what it said? Can you read for me?
Yeah, we understand.
Okay, there's a 4 item, you have to have either one of them, correct?
So the customer is actually doing some explaining and trying to align here. He's actually calming down. It sounds like he's calming his voice, and he's trying to say, hey, here's the policy that you guys have. How is this not the same as what I'm doing? Being prepared is super important. Preparation is half the battle. Know what your process or protocol should be based on your company's policies. If the person is coherent but not compliant, number one, you can let them know how you're feeling, like what you're experiencing. Hey, I'm feeling very intimidated right now. Hey, I'm feeling a little scared right now. So let them know what you're feeling, what you're experiencing based on their behavior. This is again called pre-escalation strategizing. Super important, because if we can stop escalated situations before they happen, then we don't have to necessarily de-escalate, then we don't have to experience someone's spontaneous aggression or their escalated state.